Success will be yours with these affiliate marketing tips. Many people enter into affiliate marketing with a great deal of enthusiasm, but lose steam when they don't instantly get results. Like many things, proper affiliate marketing takes time and hard work. In this video, you'll learn where you should be putting your effort in, and how you can get the results you've been hoping for. To address your audience directly, you should take time to get to know them and understand their problems. Once you have identified their main concerns, you can propose a solution that includes buying the products you want to sell. Remain genuine and honest in addressing these issues that are important to your audience. A profitable affiliate marketing program should require no more than an hour and a half of supervision per day. While the time cost of affiliate programs will be greater during the initial setup period, website owners who find themselves spending 2, 3 or more hours dealing with their affiliates every day, should rethink their affiliate partnerships. Allowing people to subscribe to your website and receive newsletters from you will help you to appear more legitimate in the affiliate field. Especially if you're offering a trustworthy product or service, you want to keep in touch with your customers so that they become repeat customers and help you to increase your profits regularly. Look around for a mentor in affiliate marketing if you are not sure how to approach the business. There are thousands of successful affiliates out there who will lend you advice to get you started. You are not their competition at this point, so most are happy to help out. Check around the blogosphere and find experts in the field. Don't give up on affiliate marketing before you really get started. While you may not be impressed by your affiliate marketing profits right now, that may change once you start applying this video's advice. If you stick with affiliate marketing and do the right things, you can achieve some great things. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.